Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today I have a quick and easy treat box. Now this is my simple stamping and paper crafts day, so today we are sharing a really quick and easy treat box. Now this idea came from, I think it was Stamping with Dawn. I can't remember. It was done quite a few years ago and it was a lot smaller. I just enlarged it because I wanted something a little bit more substantial. Although the little one was really cute, but I decided to go ahead and do this one. And I modified it a little bit on the inside. I just thought I'd make it a little bit easier. So these are the two that I'm sharing. I'm actually going to do a totally different one today, but I'm using the same stamp set. So it is this Hoot Hoot Hooray. I love the stamp set. You saw the card I did, I don't know if it was last week or what, but with this happy birthday. I'm going to use the Hoot Hoot Hooray because I really wanted to use him, and these are the two that I used for the other ones, these two right here. Alright, so for this we are going to use Daffodil Delight this time. And this piece measures 7 by 6, and then you're going to need 2 pieces to mat, and this is 3 7/8 by 2 7/8. And this designer series paper is the Bird Ballad, and it has little feet on it, like bird feet, so I thought that'd be really cute for the Hoot Hoot Hooray. And I also used this one for this You Made My Day. Right here is the designer series paper. And then for the other one, I used another designer series paper, which is this Follow Your Art. And this has all little hearts on it. And so I thought it was appropriate for this little one right here with the hearts on it that says Always Here For You. So that is all that I used for this. So let's go ahead and get scoring and put this quick box together. This is also a good one for a beginner and beyond because there's so much you can do with it. Now on the 7-inch side, we're going to score it at 3 and 4. And then we're going to turn it, and on the 6-inch side, we're going to score it at 1 and 5. That is absolutely it for scoring. Alright, so we are going to cut this. We're cutting it a little bit different than I normally cut it. So we're cutting all the way down this way, and then this one, and then we're going to do the exact same thing on this side. Now how she did it on her little one was to bring these all up and line them up, and put the adhesive on, line them up, and then pull up the top. But I'm going to shorten these because it is a little bit more difficult with these longer ones to get them lined up. So I'm just going to cut them in half to make our glue tabs. And you can cut in the sides here. These you don't have to be perfect on this part. It's going to all be inside the box. So that's how I cut mine. And I'm going to get my bone folder, and we're going to just sharpen these before we put it together. Now if you like to mat ahead of time, go ahead and mat it. I'm going to do it afterwards. Alright, so now we need to put adhesive on all 4 of these. Now you can use wet glue. I'm going to use wet glue this time, or tear and tape. But I'm going to just go ahead and use the wet glue. And then you're going to line these up. And I found it's a lot easier to line this up when these are cut shorter. I can get them lined up just right. So because it is wet glue, I do have to hold it there for a few minutes. Not a few minutes, a few seconds till it takes hold. All right, now we're going to go ahead and put it on these also. Turn it this way so you can see it a little bit better. And then go ahead and line those up. I'm sorry, I can't remember exactly who I watched it on, but it is not my original idea, but I know her name was Dawn, and I'm not sure which one it was. Alright, so now we are going to go ahead and do our matting here. It's so cute, the little footprints, and I thought it'd be perfect for our little owl. And he's so cute, I really wanted to use him. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and punch a couple holes in here. I'm just centering it in the middle. And then you can line it up. Mine needs oiling or something. It's not perfect. It's a little hard to punch with. Maybe time for a new one, I don't know. So there's our little holes for, and then I'm going to just go ahead, and this time I'm going to use the Magnolia Lane ribbon. I'm going to use this one right here. It's like a linen ribbon. It's really pretty. And because these little feet are white, we're going to go ahead and use some Whisper White Baker's Twine. And we're going to do a double bow. Oh, I have just enough. Look at that. And I usually try to just make a circle first and then slide these ribbons inside, because I need that extra hand that I don't really have. Alright, we're going to tie a double bow here. Cut a little bit too much there, but, and then these I'm going to cut a little bit shorter. Alright, I'm going to do that just like that. And now we're ready to stamp. So you do need some extra Whisper White, and you're going to also need some extra Daffodil Delight. And we do have to use our framelits for this. And I'm going to color him very simply using Daffodil Delight and Crumb Cake. And the Crumb Cake is like one of my most used colors. So I'm going to just color him in all with Crumb Cake first. And then we're going to shade a little bit areas. Nothing fancy. Oh, I forgot to grab some pumpkin pie too for his little beak. So I'll do that too. So I'm just going to add a little bit over here and then on his wings here, just to give him a little bit more, and then probably just a little bit on the side here. And then I'm going to blend it here. So it blends in. And that's it for him. I'm going to do his eyes, and I'm going to do that in Daffodil Delight. I really like using my brush side better. And I'm just going to use a little bit here. And then we'll use some pumpkin pie for his beak. He's so cute. This stamp set I really have been enjoying. It's really cute. Alright, so we're going to bring the big shot up here. I am using my layering circles. And for a beginner, these are great to start off with. The circles, squares, and ovals. Because you have everything here. Just enough for everything. So that would be a good one if you want to pick up some beginner tools. And you can use any cutting machine for it. So we are going to cut him out, and then I'm going to grab this little piece and we're going to do the Daffodil Delight. So we'll run those both through. I think this one's going to be super cute. I just love the owl. He's just adorable. Put some snail on here. And when you're coloring with the blends, if you're a beginner, do not do it on your dining room table because they do bleed through some. You don't want to ruin any tables. Always put something under it. The Stampin' Up! Mats are really nice for that. Alright, and then I'm going to just go ahead and add some fast fuse on the back of that. Use some tear and tape, something stronger. And then we're going to put that on there. Isn't that adorable? I just love this little owl. He is so cute. So here are all three, all with 3 different of the stamps from the same Hoot Hoot Hooray stamp set. So I hope you enjoyed it. Have a blessed day, everyone, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'll see you later. Bye.